Hey guys, it is Andre and today I am coming at you with the mystery reveal for this month. This month is May and we'll go over the Color and Glitter Club first. First things first, this is the last month of Color and Glitter Club. If you are subscribed to either Color or Glitter Club, please go into your account and cancel or change your subscription. I know a lot of you guys are subscribed to like the Color Club and Ultimate. If you want to keep the Ultimate, just go in and switch that. On the 8th of the month, I will be going in and canceling all of the subscriptions that do include both Color and Glitter Club. But that means there'll be a ton of spots open on the, I believe, 15th. I have my shop calendar on Instagram if you want to subscribe. So I'll be like putting a message with those cancellations that you guys can, anyone who didn't cancel or switch in time, will be able to resubscribe on those days. So let's go ahead and get into it. I did post information on that on Instagram a couple of times and it's still up if you guys want to go check that out. So this month is Jessica. Jessica picked these colors. They're very like mermaidy spring colors. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing here is the mini icons. Then you have the full icons, a functional page here, some labels, weekend banner and checklist, quarter boxes and half boxes, headers, little things, ombre heart checklist, and then the weekly ombres. I am adding the ombre heart checklist and the weekly ombres as a trial run by request to the next multicolor line, which the next multicolor line will not be fall. I'm actually going to do a release in the middle. That release will be, I think, the weekend after the new format release. So if you want to get your hands on any of the summer multicolor, I would do so with the next one of the next two releases. And then we'll be switching to the new multicolor. So this is the Glitter Club. I'm really excited about the new multicolor. I've added a bunch of things. I've also taken away a couple of things that just weren't as good sellers as everything else. So it's going to kind of be a trial of if, you know, the ombre heart checklists and stuff sell well. And there's also going to be some doodle additions. Just because I'm not sure with the next coming months if I'm going to be able to do $3 Thursdays right away again. Just because of how tight production has been. So I'm going to probably add some of those to the multicolor lineup. Then let's go ahead into the Ultimate kit. I'm really excited about this one. This one's been designed for a while. This is, as always, exclusive art. I'm so pumped about it. So the next mystery kit will be in the new format, which I know everyone is going to love. So this is the last one in the old format. I actually was going to do the June one in the old format, but I just told them to take everything that was already printed and cut it and just put it in non-misfit. So let's go ahead and get into the subscription. So there are a lot of extras this month. So let's go ahead and get into the base kit first. So this is a coffee theme with some really pretty muted like peachy pinks and grays, which I really love. So the first thing you have here is your freebie with your munchkins on the side. And then you have your front page, which has your deco, your hidden flags, and then the girls on the bottom are all drinking coffee. So you could tell that this didn't even have the bow down here because this was like pre-bows. So this was a while ago. Then there's the ombre heart checklist with the glitter splatter in there. And then you do have your full boxes with a quote that says, "But first coffee." And then you have like a little like coffee stand scene. You have like a little barista girl holding a coffee cup, some sweet treats, and then some like really pretty marble and floral going on there. So really love this collection. I think it's a great anytime collection, and I thought you guys would probably love this one like a lot. I feel like the pink and neutral is really like nice again for anytime, and everyone, not everyone loves coffee, but we all like that aesthetic. So then it does also have the faux double washi with the bows and another iced coffee full box with your date headers. So that is the Ultimate kit this month. Super excited about it. I'll go ahead and give you guys another look at the deco again. It's just so dang cute. I really just like everything about it, and yeah, so super cute. And that is the Ultimate kit. So if you purchase the Ultimate kit and shop, this is what you get, though all of the items will be coming to the shop a la carte if you want to pick them up. But whenever you are subscribed, you do get a bunch of extras. I always do, I think that I quote that there's 3 extras, but I always do more than that, especially with the journaling card. I do get a lot of messages saying like, I don't know what to do with the journaling card. The journaling card isn't like it isn't replacing any stickers, and if we got rid of the journaling card, I wouldn't put any stickers in its place, so it's really just like an extra. So I put this in here. You could actually just even use it as like a postcard and put a stamp here and just address it out. But this is a really cute little coffee cup. No, not coffee cup, it's like a frappuccino. Super, super cute. You also get the glitter headers, and again, this is pre-label. So there's that. And you also get some fashion girls and some ombre bows that match the kit, the bow that matches the kit. And then you also get sticky notes. So super, super cute. That is the ultimate kit. If you're subscribed to the ultimate kit, this is what you will be getting. So lots of extras. Like I said, I think we quote 3 extras, but this month there was 4 extras plus the journaling card. So that is everything for the May Mystery Ultimate. And let's go ahead and get into the mini. So in here you do get the journaling card, which again is just like an extra, and then there is the glitter headers, which is what the like advertised extra is. Then you just get your standard mini kit. So you have your freebie, your full boxes, your functional page with the glitter in the background, your half boxes page, and then your small selection of deco, habit trackers, bottom washi, and washi. So I am really excited for this month. I think it's so cute. Like I said, I think it's very like universal, use it anytime type kit. Next month, like I said, there will be no color or glitter club. So if you are subscribed to either of those, you could either switch or cancel, or I will be canceling them manually on the 8th of the month. If you want to resubscribe and you forgot to cancel, we will have spots open, and lots of spots open for the next month's mystery, which will be in the new format, which I know everyone is going to love. I know there'll be some comments that are like, I wish you would have done this instead of this, like as far as adding, but I think overall, everyone is going to be very, very pleased with the changes that I made, and I'm just like so excited. Like I said, I was going to do June in the old format, and I had like a ton printed. I'm talking like this much printed, and I just told them like, no, we need to do it in the new one, so I just like put those to the side and reprinted. So well, we only had like 3 sheets printed that were like this big, but really, really excited for that. Again, if you guys want, these are all exclusive to the subscription, but if you guys want to pick up these items, the ultimate kit will be available along with the a la carte extras in the main shop this Friday at noon Eastern. So I hope you guys like this month's mystery kit, and I'm really, really excited. I have everything up till September done, and September is currently in process of design. So I'm really, really excited for the next mystery kits. I'm always really excited. I love mystery. It's so fun. So hope you guys like this. I'll leave the mystery link down below if I remember, hopefully, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.